Former Sheriff Will Lewis will soon be released from prison, at least for now. The judge approved a request today for his release during the appeal process.
7 News' Ayla Ferrone standing by live with the details on this. Ayla, how quickly could Lewis get out of prison?
Well, today his attorney told me that the paperwork is already in motion and Will Lewis could be released from prison as early as tomorrow afternoon. But of course, it does come at a cost. The judge setting bond at $50,000.
All right, come to order.
Attorney Rock Wise appearing in Lawrence County Court on behalf of his client on Tuesday.
I think this statute is definitely overly broad. So I think he is eligible.
Weiss explaining after court that his appeal focuses on what he calls a vague charge against former Sheriff Will Lewis.
That doesn't get away from the basic premise we had originally, that it's a vague indictment and it's a vague statute.
In court, Wise arguing an appeal could take longer than Lewis's one-year sentence.
The state of South Carolina can never give him back that 1 year.
What is the likelihood that Mr. Lewis is going to have a reversal in this matter?
But solicitor Kevin Brackett saying he doesn't think Lewis will win the appeal.
It really would have only been preserved had the jury convicted him of both. But since they only convicted him of one, it's really kind of moot.
Upon release, Lewis will have to give up his passport, stay within the state, and not have any contact with Savannah neighbors. He could be out of prison before the end of the week.
I would anticipate tomorrow afternoon, Thursday at the latest.
And even though Lewis himself wasn't in the courtroom, a group of supporters, including his wife and mother, were.
They know him well. They know that what he did in this case is what I have said repeatedly was a bad judge of character.
Both attorneys and the judge agreeing that Lewis isn't a flight risk and doesn't pose a threat to the public.
The danger to the community that he posed was while he was in office. He's not in office anymore.
Now, Lewis is being housed in North Carolina. He'll have to be transferred back here to Greenville to be processed before he can be released. I'm reporting live in Greenville, Ayla Ferrone, 7 News.